Imagine waking up to a server crash, but before you even open your laptop, an AI team has already read the logs, found the pics, and texted it to your phone. Welcome to Naga Automates. Today we are combining my two favorite things, network automation and Agentic AI. We are building an AI DevOps team. In this video, we will use CrewAI to build 3 employees, a log analyzer to read the errors, a solution architect to fix them, and an AI alert manager connected to a Telegram bot. Install CrewAI langchain requests and python.env. Let's code. Import necessary libraries. Import OS to interact with environment variables. Import requests to send messages via Telegram API. Import agent task crew process for defining agents, tasks and workflows. Import tool to create custom tools for agents. Import chat Google generative AI to use Google Gemini LLM with langchain. Import load.env to load environment variables. Fetch Gemini API key. Fetch Telegram bot token. Fetch Telegram chat ID from the environment variables. You can check how to get a Telegram bot token and chat ID in my previous video named Telegram alert on server payload. Initialize Gemini LLM with the 2.5 model and API key. Now we create a function to reads a file and returns its content as a string. Now we create a custom tool for Telegram alerts. It means register this function as a CrewAI tool. Here we add Telegram API endpoint. Here add Telegram chat ID with message payload. It means send post request to Telegram API, return success message. If request fails, it returns error message. Now we can define our AI agents. Define agent role, agent mission, backstory. Assign Gemini LLM to this agent. Same we can create solution architect agent and alert specialist. This agent can use the Telegram alert tool. Now we are going to define tasks. This read server logs from file. First we create analyze task, give task description, give expected output, assign task to log analyzer agent. Same we can create solve task and alert task. Now we are going to assemble the DevOps crew. Here we list of agents, and list of tasks. It means run tasks sequentially one after another. Here we print the messages to notify. It means execute the workflow. Save the file and let's test it. Let's simulate an out-of-memory crash. We hit run. The analyzer reads the log. The architect suggests the restarting. And boom, my phone just alerted. The AI sent the exact fix. This is the future of system administration. Stick around for the top 3 AI DevOps interview questions. This reduces downtime, saves engineering effort, and brings true automation to DevOps. If you found this project useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Start building your own AI agents and take your DevOps skills to next level.